For over 55 years, Climate Masters Incorporated has been the trusted HVAC expert in Spanish Fort, Alabama. Our family-owned business is dedicated to keeping your home comfortable year-round. We specialize in AC installation, repair, and maintenance, ensuring your cooling system operates efficiently during the hot Alabama summers. Our certified technicians are equipped to handle all major brands. Our heating services include furnace installation, repair, and maintenance to keep your home warm during the colder months. We offer energy-efficient solutions tailored to your needs. We provide comprehensive HVAC services, including duct installation and repair, to improve airflow and indoor air quality. Our team ensures your system runs smoothly and efficiently. We proudly serve Baldwin and Mobile counties, including Spanish Fort, Daphne, Fairhope, and surrounding areas. Our local expertise allows us to provide prompt and reliable service. Our North American Technician Excellence certified technicians are committed to delivering high-quality workmanship and exceptional customer service. Contact us today at 251-626-9231 or visit climate-mastersinc.com to schedule your service. We're available 24/7 to meet your HVAC needs. Climate Masters Incorporated. The quality of our work forecasts our future.